In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, heroes come in all shapes and sizes. This evening, TVJ's Ken Morgan tells us how one boy is trying to overcome his poverty-stricken circumstances to try and help his family.
Meet Conroy Shakespeare, a 12-year-old boy from Gutter's Old Harbor, St. Catherine, who is on a mission to fight poverty with 6 chickens. Conroy, a first-form student at the Innswood High School in St. Catherine, said he grew tired of seeing his mother struggling to feed and send 3 children to school. This prompted him to make a sacrifice by saving his lunch money.
I get 4 basic at school, and the 2 part lunch give at school. I take a part lunch and see a 3.50. And put in my jam. Mother said I carry go to school, and I don't carry go to school. Just stand at school hungry sometimes.
It's weeks later, and Conroy's chickens, housed in this coop which he built by himself, are almost ready for sale. Conroy says all he wanted was a ray of hope for himself and his family.
Sometimes I see some people go through things like me. I feel like I cry. Sometimes mother not have money to send me to school. Sometimes she cook butter and rice, and I don't like that sometimes.
I sit down with the child, you know, say, I'm not going to be able to cook. Mommy, what you have, you can't cook, so I say, porridge, I can't afford today, you know.
I don't want a rough life like my mother. I want one big business place and farming. I get a little start, kill the chicken, and then I buy back more and put in a coop. And raise them till them kill out them buy more and put them in a coop, and then build a bigger coop than this miss.
His story, which was videotaped, went viral on social media, but the publicity was not all good. Conroy said he was bullied by children at school who saw the video.
Some of them say mother poor, mother not have nothing. Mother hungry. They call me for old man. I'm not too business about that. I just laugh and pass through.
Corporate Jamaica stepped in, helping him with a better coop and feed. Now, he gives a ray of hope to other children.
Take up them book, go to school, go learn. Nobody follow no bad company, not take up no gun.
Anything you put your mind to, that's good. Just try be focused and go ahead and carry on. I would say to parents, just help support your kids in everything they do.
With a ray of hope, I'm Ken Morgan.
A ray of